Marketing is more than just the 4 Ps. The world is changing and we need to change with it. My name is Lizré Botha. I'm the head of department in the School of Commerce. I'm a qualified marketing professional and I've been in education for 14 years. Students and studying is my passion. Marketing is our field and anything creative is our game. During your marketing degree, we have lots of subjects that you would master. We start off with the most important, consumer behavior and our introduction to marketing. We move on to branding and advertising, giving you the creative platform. Then we go to digital marketing, online marketing, and the world is your oyster. We move to visual communication, again, very creative, allowing you to bring all of the principles of branding and digital together. We end off strong with strategic marketing to make sure that you are ready for the world of work. With our marketing degree and our support and guidance, you can become a future marketing professional.